Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale located in Lillyfield, Bamboo, St. Anne. The level access through a lovingly landscaped garden provides easy access to a spacious veranda that leads into an open plan lounge. Each of the 4 large bedrooms has its own ensuite bathroom. The living spaces are light and airy. A separate dining area leads to a fully functional kitchen, offering the perfect setting for family get-togethers. The rear porch leads out to a well-cultivated outdoor space with an abundance of produce, including bananas, apples, ackee, breadfruit, corn, lime, avocado, jackfruit, June plum, and much more. The property has a garage, 2 hallways, linen closet, laundry room, water tank, storage for water heater and water pump. This is a must-see property. Make it yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.